Sand, sand, sand. They say there's more stars in the universe than grains of sand. Is that possible? Hi everyone. In this video, let's explore balance in the universe. Big topic, huh? I love to look at the night sky on a clear night. I often think about the universe when meditating. How many stars are there? I've heard many astronomers say that there are more stars than grains of sand on all the beaches in the world. How much sand is here? How much sand is on all the beaches in the world? There are more stars. That's an amazing thought. There are YouTube videos about this. One of the videos even tries to explain the math behind this theory. I'll put a link to the video in the description. In my science classes, I would have 2 students at a time take a whiteboard marker in each hand and have them put as many dots on a whiteboard in 30 seconds as they could. Then 2 more students until all had a chance to participate. Then I would circle just one of the dots of maybe 1,000, and not billions of billions, as Carl Sagan used to say. I would tell the students that this one dot is our sun. Then I would ask, what about the others? Do you think they have planets? Could any of them be like Earth? It would really open their minds. And speaking about Earth and our sun, how about the balance they have? Here's an activity you can try. It's a model. The funnel is the sun, the ping pong ball is the planet Earth, and the weight attached is gravity. Now you have to find a good balance, something that I just found at both that worked well. And how this works is the speed and the gravity balance together to keep the orbit of the Earth or the ping pong ball in the particular orbit. If the speed is greater than the proper gravity, it will orbit farther and farther away and maybe drift out into space. If the weight is heavier than the speed in their relationship, it will orbit closer and spiral into the sun. So it's kind of an interesting, fun activity they can see and feel. So you can give it a try. Well, I hope you get a chance to look at the nighttime sky and see a lot of stars. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.